Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to look at how we created a investment goal for one of our clients, Mr. Mahesh, of age 32. The goal was house purchase. The current price of the house is about 1.5 crore rupees. Now, how much is the SIP required to buy the same house after 10 years? This is what we are going to calculate in this video. So, for 10 years, typically we are going to invest all of this money in equity, and because the person is also a very disciplined investor, so he has said that he will stay invested for 10 years without redemption. So in this scenario, we said that we will look at an equity fund wherein we will invest in top 3 ranking multi-cap funds. Okay. Now in this, if you see, this is the 5-year average return of multi-cap fund that has come across the category. So in the multi-cap fund, this is the average return, that is 14.88% across the entire category. So we can take an average of around 14% CAGR for multi-cap category, considering that we are investing in top 3. So in multi-cap category, again, no recommendations, but we looked at which were the top 3 highest performing funds, and on top of it, then we also applied various other parameters such as Sortino ratio and volatility, downside capture, etc. And we provided top 3 uh, multi-cap funds for Mr. Mahesh for his house purchase goals. So based on our list, we created the investment products. Now let's come to our website of auriswealth.com. You have to visit auriswealth.com or .in. Okay, these are our official website. In this, we have built our calculators, right? So we will scroll down below and we'll go into our calculators of goal and retirement. Okay. Now you can see over here, we can plan a goal over here, right? So right now we have to put in what is the cost of the gold today. So the cost of gold today, as we discussed, is around 1.5 crore rupees. Okay. So let me just adjust it to 1.5 crores. Years until you need it, basically how long we have to invest to achieve the goal. So for Mr. Mahesh, it is 10 years only. Inflation rate, we are going to consider around 7.5% because that is the real inflation rate in today's time. And expected return, as we saw in the multi-cap category, in the last 5 years, it has been around 14.88%. We will keep an expected return of 14%, considering that Mr. Mahesh does not stop his SIP or redeem the investment in the mid-journey. Now, the total future cost of this particular house, considering this inflation rate, is around 3.09 crores, as you can see over here. And the SIP needed is around 1,17,957. So around approximately you can say 1,20,000 rupees. Okay. Now the amount that we need to remember is 3.09 crores or 3.1 crores approximately. And this SIP amount is a direct SIP without step up. So now let's look at, if you do step up SIP, okay, then how much will be the required investment. So we'll start with 75,000 rupees. The increase in SIP amount is 10% every single year. So the SIP will keep on increasing by 10% every year. Expected return, we kept 14% over there, considering multi-cap category return in the last 5 years on an average. And the time period is 10 years. Okay. So now with 75,000 rupees SIP, the future value is around 2.18 crore rupees. But in that goal planner, we saw that we needed 3.10 crores for the goal to be achieved. So let's increase this step up SIP to, let's say, around 80,000, not 80,000, let's say do it around, one second, let's do it around 90,000. And yes, now we are seeing a amount of 3.37 crores. So with the 90,000 rupees SIP with 10% step up at on an average 14% CAGR invested in the top 3 multi-cap fund based on our internal Auris Wealth top 3 multi-cap fund ranking and an investment horizon of 10 years, Mr. Mahesh can achieve 3.37 crore rupees of wealth with an investment of 1.72 crore rupees. Okay, so this is how using step up SIP we can figure out how much is required today for achieving a particular goal in next 10 years or 5 years or 20 years depending on the goal amount or goal timeline, right? Now if you see why we did step up SIP is if we had done normal SIP, Mr. Mahesh would have to invest 1,18,000 rupees approximately per month. But right now he is just investing 90,000, and as his salary will keep on increasing, the 10% of step up SIP will keep on increasing his investment amount. Okay, so this is how we create total goal based planning for our clients in terms of investing in various products, whether it be mutual fund, PMS, SIF, etc. So if you also want us to create your investment portfolio based on your life goals or your family's life goals like retirement planning or children higher education or house purchase or car purchase, etc., you can connect with us on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is in the description box below, or you can come to our website at auriswealth.com. The link to the website will be in the description box below, and then you can just click on a Let's Chat button, or you can schedule a meeting over here, or just click on Let's Chat button and book the meeting. Okay, so I hope that you got a clear idea of how we can do a proper systematic investment goal based roadmap for you in terms of achieving your various goals. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and ask whatever questions or doubts you have in the comment section, and do help us to get motivated by hitting the like button and sharing this video in your friends and family WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. Goodbye.